The fight between Russia and Ukraine has intensified ahead of the Victory Day holiday and since Ukraine hinted at launching a spring counter-offensive against Russia. Just days after the Kremlin was attacked, which Russia initially blamed Ukraine for, the Putin-led nation launched its biggest drone attacks on Ukraine. Russia launched its biggest swarm of drones for months against Ukraine on the eve of Russia's May 9 holiday, celebrating the defeat of Nazi Germany in 1945, striking the capital Kyiv and the Black Sea city of Odessa, and shelling other cities. Explosions were heard overnight in the capital Kyiv, where the mayor said that 5 people had been injured in the biggest kamikaze drone attack so far. Vitaly Klitschko, the mayor of Kyiv, said that Russia fired 60 Iranian-made kamikaze drones at Ukrainian targets, including 36 at the capital. He added that all the drones fired at Kyiv had been shot down, but the debris hit apartments and other buildings, thereby causing injuries. This was the most massive drone attack on the capital during the entire war, the mayor said. A food warehouse was set ablaze by a missile in Odessa, thereby injuring 3. The assault is part of a renewed Russian air campaign unleashed 10 days ago after a lull since early March. Kyiv said Moscow was also making a final push to try to capture the ruined eastern city of Bakhmut to deliver Vladimir Putin what would be his only prize for a costly Russian winter offensive in time for Victory Day. Moscow is preparing for Tuesday's Victory Day parade, the most important day in the calendar for Russia under Mr. Putin, who evokes the 1945 Soviet triumph over Nazi Germany in trying to rally Russians behind his invasion of Ukraine. But in a break with Russia, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky marked Victory Day on Monday rather than on Tuesday, announcing that decree a change in the date of the holiday to match the practice of Western allies. Russia has enacted a major security clampdown ahead of Tuesday's commemorations. At least 21 Russian cities have cancelled traditional military parades for the first time in years. Regional officials blamed unspecified security concerns or vaguely referred to the current situation for the restrictions and cancellations. Ukraine, which last year drove Russian forces back from the ramparts of the capital and recovered substantial territory, has maintained a defensive posture for the past 6 months, but says its counter-offensive will begin soon.